I told my big brother we about to make it out the hood with this one.
I got
us, bro. Riding downtown in my mama car. Dog in the yard go bark. The park.
Damn.
Ran out of gas so it didn't start.
Hey,
excuse me, bitch, I had to park. I told Big Bro this gon' make the chart. He always sad, Big broke his heart. I told him fuck that bitch, nigga, get some money. I didn't graduate, but I'm not a dummy.
Okay.
If the police catch you, you ain't get it from me.
At all.
Yeah, I just ate, but I'm kinda hungry. A lot of people hate, but my mama love me.
I love you, mama.
Why have one bitch when you can have five? Why have five bitches? You can have nine. I give away a bitch, you can have mine. I need a break from a bitch like it's halftime. Blah, 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 bitch, get out my ear. Always talk about some shit I ain't trying to hear. I had to tell Big Bro like this my year. I'm about to take off like when you see a deer. I told you, bro, we got one.
So long, man.
Have a good rest.
Fuck you!